Now when working as packet forwarder, UG67 can run either legacy Semtech UDP or basic station to connect to the ThinkStack. Check out our help desk on support.milesite-iot.com. You'll find out a guide on both methods. And today, let's work on the simpler one first. On the TTS console and gateway section, you can see that we have proceeded to add the gateway. The gateway ID would be like this, and the gateway EUI can be found here. Gateway name would be like this. And the LoRaWAN plane would be China for 70 MHz. Okay, now we've created the gateway. You can see now that it's disconnected. We get the gateway server address here, and we are going to copy it and paste it on the web GUI under Semtech for server address. We can see the connection status is for now disconnected. Refresh the page and it will synchronize with remote TTS, and it's connected now. That will be the demonstration for today. Thank you for watching.